today I have this baby book album, accordion album, which has a shadow box on both the side of this album, and this is very pretty, and I hope you like this. And here's the second shadow part, and it has the blings on all the sides, and it looks beautiful, like, and all the 3D elements are inside the shadow box, and I have added flowers, cake, and the side looks like this. And the front part, let me show you the front part. It has a cafeteria, like a dollhouse in a baby book album, and it has windows, shed, the name of the cafe, the whole storage area, and all the little cute dishes, and this pretty sticker and the trim. Everything is going so well with the paper, and the blings are everywhere, like everywhere. On the side we have this chain, and like this opens up. It is a huge album, trust me, it is a huge album. And yeah, this is the side where I have put all the blings, and the chain goes so well with the album. So let me show you how this turned out. So I think I have to give you a side view of the album now. So yeah, so this is how it looks from this side, and now you can see the height and all of it. It is just gorgeous, and it is huge album. It has like 12 flaps, but it can hold more than 12 pictures. It can hold up to 50 pictures actually. Now I'll show you how it opens up. So let me pull out one of the cards from this album. So here's the card. It looks very plain right now, but I have a lot of things which will go very well with the album, and yeah. So I will be providing these photo mats and card stocks and these cards which the mother can put inside the album along with the cardstock I have put already. So you can also paste picture on this, you can write something. There are several cards along with this project. Isn't it beautiful? It's really cute, you know. Every card has a baby book, baby picture on it, and it's beautiful. Every cardstock can hold at least 2 pictures and some journaling on it. So this is plain. You can add the cardstock like this, and just write something or a big picture on the back. It is beautiful. It is very multi-purpose book, and mother can add a lot of pictures, a lot of sentiments on this. These all cardstocks and the cards will be coming along with the album. It is totally like free with this, and the big ones are also, I am also giving these big ones, like for the big photo mats, and it can also have pictures, journaling on each side. It can be put like this on a big side, and the small one can be added on top or at the back. I have not pasted this because it is very customized, and mother can put wherever she wants, and I have not pasted so that it is not mandatory for her to paste as many pictures as I have cardstocks in it. And this is how it turned out. I hope you like this project, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow. And also comment down below what is the favorite part of yours, and you can also DM me for any orders or any queries if you have. And thank you so much for watching this video, and take care. Bye bye.